Hi, my name's Kristen and I'm a designer at Decorator's Warehouse. I'm here today to share one of our absolute favorite features on our new website, and that's the tree bundles. After years and years of listening to our customers, we learned that you guys want simple packages where you feel equipped to recreate them in your home. And that's exactly what we've done here. Professional design can cost thousands of dollars. We wanted to make something that made that professionally designed look accessible to everyone. It's as easy as choosing the size of your tree and having it shipped straight to your doorway. We then supplement the purchase by providing tutorial videos that teach you how to work with the products that we've sent. The bundling of these packages is meant to save you time and money. We offer a bundling discount when you purchase the whole package. And we've also taken all of the guesswork out, which will ultimately save you lots of time. These pieces are intentionally curated by our design team and are meant to work together. Be sure to check out our packages at www.decoratorswarehouse.com.